Respiration. Pulmonary ventilation. Textbooks. Guyton and Hall. Textbook of Medical Physiology. 11th edition. Pages 469 to 482. The stages, steps, of respiration. Respiration in humans can be divided into 5 steps. 1. Pulmonary ventilation. 2. Diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide through the respiratory membrane. 3. Transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide in blood. 4. Diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide through the blood, tissue barriers. 5. Tissue, cellular, respiration. Physical processes of the gas transportation system. Step 1. Pulmonary ventilation is provided by convective transfer of gases, with flow, and diffusion. Step 2. Diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide through the respiratory membrane is ensured only by simple diffusion. Step 3. Transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide by blood is provided only by convective transfer of gases, with blood flow. Step 4. Diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide through blood tissue barriers is ensured only by simple diffusion. Step 5. Tissue, cellular, respiration is associated with simple diffusion. Remember and use this table when answering. What is external respiration and internal respiration? These terms have very many definitions. For examples. Option 1. External respiration is pulmonary ventilation. Internal respiration is cellular respiration. Option 2. External respiration is exchange of gases between the lungs and blood. Internal respiration is exchange of gases between the body cells and blood. We prefer the following definitions. External respiration is the first and second stages of respiration. Internal respiration is the third, fourth, and fifth stages of respiration. Physical processes of gas transport system, other form of presentation. Physical processes of gas transport system, other form of presentation. Remember this diagram. Remember the partial pressures of oxygen and carbon dioxide in alveolar gas, above. In arterial blood, red lines. In tissues, bottom. In venous blood, blue lines. Partial pressure. In a mixture of gases, each constituent gas has a partial pressure, which is the notional pressure of that constituent gas if it alone occupied the entire volume of the original mixture at the same temperature. The total pressure of an ideal gas mixture is the sum of the partial pressures of the gases in the mixture. As of 2023, by mole fraction, i.e., by number of molecules, dry air contains 78.08% nitrogen, 20.95% oxygen, 0.93% argon, 0.04% carbon dioxide, and small amounts of other gases. Determine the partial pressure of oxygen at an atmospheric pressure of 760 mm of mercury. Correct answer. Partial pressure of oxygen is 159.22 partial pressure of oxygen. Check your answer.